Friends, our today's reaction is reduction by lithium aluminum hydride and sodium borohydrides. So let us first discuss what is lithium aluminum hydride reagent and what is sodium borohydride reagents. So friends, this is the structures of sodium borohydride and lithium aluminum hydride. So these both are considered as a hydride donating reagents. Okay. Now what do you mean by hydride? So hydrogen with lone pair of electron, that means hydrogen with two electron, which is called hydride. Now these both reagents are considered as a sources of hydride nucleophile, where hydride nucleophile can easily attack on any compounds containing carbonyl carbon. In this lithium aluminum hydride and sodium borohydride, aluminium is considered as a least electronegative compared to the boron. So aluminium hydride bond, aluminium hydrogen bond is considered as a more polar, okay, than boron hydrogen bonds. So hence, compared to sodium borohydride, lithium aluminum hydride is considered as a strongest reducing agents. Okay, so compared to sodium borohydride, lithium aluminum hydride is strongest reducing agents. Why? Because of aluminum hydrogen bond is more polar compared to boron hydrogen bond. Why aluminum hydrogen bond is more polar? Because of aluminium is least electronegative compared to boron, so hence it is considered as a more polar, and hence lithium aluminum hydride is strongest reducing agents. Now let us discuss the reaction. So in reaction, suppose starting material is ketone in presence of lithium aluminum hydride as well as the sodium borohydride. So both are considered as a hydride donor reagents. So the product is secondary alcohol. Okay. Suppose we are taking aldehyde as a starting material, that is react with lithium as well as sodium borohydride. So the product is primary alcohol. Okay. So product that is depend on starting material. Suppose your starting material is ketone, then product would be secondary alcohol. Suppose your starting material is aldehyde, then your product is primary alcohol. Now let us understand the mechanism. So this is lithium aluminum hydride. So as I said that it's a hydride donor reagent. So on center of aluminum, so here lone pair is there, negative charge is there, it is because of its valency. So this hydride is removed, that means hydrogen is removed by its bond, okay, bonding electron. So remove hydride, attack on this carbonyl carbon, and this pi electron shifted on oxygen. Why it attack on carbonyl carbon? Because of carbon attached with oxygen, where oxygen having a partial negative charge and carbon having a partial positive charge due to electronegativity of oxygen. Then after, oxide that accept the proton from reaction medium, so that is form a OH, okay, and it is ultimately secondary alcohol. Okay, so as I said that when we are using aldehyde, the product would be primary alcohol. When we are using ketone, the product would be secondary alcohol. Thank you. Now let us taking another example of aldehyde. So as I said in earlier, when we are using aldehyde as a starting material, that is reduced by lithium aluminum hydride, that gives a primary alcohol. Now let us understand the mechanisms. So say for example, here we are taking a lithium aluminum hydride as a reagent. So this hydride from lithium aluminum hydride attack at this carbonyl carbon, pi electron shifted on oxygen, that generate the O minus, and these extra answered pair of electron on oxygen that accept the proton, ultimately that gives OH group. So it is an example of or product of primary alcohol. So such kind of questions are generally asked in many competitive examinations like when we are using aldehyde and it is reduced by lithium aluminum hydride, so the product would be primary, secondary, tertiary alcohol. So correct answer is primary alcohol. When we are using ketone, then product would be secondary alcohol. Thank you. Let us see the application of lithium aluminum hydride. It is very important for many competitive examination like GPAT as well as the NIPER. So when starting material is acid, it react with lithium aluminum hydride, product would be the primary alcohol. Okay, same like aldehyde. Aldehyde react with lithium aluminum hydride, that gives primary alcohol. Ketone react with lithium aluminum hydride, that gives secondary alcohol. Next is ester react with lithium aluminum hydride, that gives same product as alcohol, carboxylic acid. So again, alcohol would be the product when ester react with lithium aluminum hydride. Next is azide react with lithium aluminum hydride, product is amine. Then nitrile as well as the amide, that would be reduced by lithium aluminum hydride, that is again gives amines. And epoxide ring, that is reduced by lithium aluminum hydride, that gives secondary alcohol. So ketone and epoxide both are giving a same product, secondary alcohol, while aldehyde, carboxylic acid and ester all three gives primary alcohol. Azide, nitrile and amide all three are gives amine as a product. So this is very important application of lithium aluminum hydride as well as the sodium borohydride as per exam point of view. Thank you.